handle the truth.
Hello everybody, my name is Ifan Yuba and this is 360 Degree Mastery. This is a channel where we teach you personal effectiveness, self-mastery and how to create, grow and manage your wealth. Before I continue, I put out new videos every week. My videos are full of tips to make you more successful, to make you a wealthier person, to make you a better you all around. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you will know when new videos are coming out. Go ahead and check me out, check out my website. The address is there at the bottom of the screen. Now, I want to talk about something. I've talked about investment for several weeks now. I've given you the ground rules for investing. I've told you about some pitfalls that you can avoid when you start investing. I've given you tips on the types of investment vehicles that you can go in. But I saw something on Facebook the other day and it was very interesting. In fact, let me go ahead and read it out. I have it on my phone here. It says, I diligently set aside 10K every month for the past 10 years investing in ARM mutual fund. I managed to check my investment performance yesterday and guess what? LOL. And he went ahead to show his balance as 936,621.97 naira. Now, if you are investing 10,000 naira every month diligently for 10 years, at the end of the period your net balance should be 1.2 million. That should be your net balance. But in this case, what we see is that the person has not only gone below the net value, he has not made any profit, but he has actually lost 33 odd thousand naira, not counting inflation. So your investment is actually losing you money, which is why I want to say this. Putting money aside in a mutual fund is not investing. You are not investing money, you are just saving money. I've done videos where I've talked about the difference between investing and saving money, and I've said this before in my video. When you invest, you should be more aggressive. Sit down and study the market you want to play in, you want to invest in. You need to talk to your banker. You need to understand what your projected profit income from that investment is going to net you before you go into the market. Saving money is not the same thing as investing money. In fact, that person that was saving 10,000 naira diligently every month for 10 years, if you're taking that money and giving it to a market woman, that market woman would have made him a millionaire many times over just from trading 10,000 naira every month for 10 years. Now, come closer. I want to say this again. Saving money is not the same thing as investing money. Please, please, and please sit down and decide what kind of investment you want to play in, whether you're investing in businesses. If you're going to invest in the money market, you need to talk to your banker, find out what kind of money market instruments are out there. If you're investing in real estate, you need to know the market, the kind of real estate that you're investing in. Do not give your money to mutual fund managers and expect them to give you a return or to create wealth for you. Mutual funds essentially is just somebody taking a lot of people's money and investing in something that he feels will be profitable. And the downside of this is this: at the end of the day, if the mutual fund manager makes money, he's going to pay himself first, and whatever is left, he's going to divide it among all of you that invested in him. So please, please, and please, investing money is not the same thing as saving money. How do you see this video? If this video was helpful at all, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up, like this video, share this video with other people, subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Ifan Yuba. This is 360 Degree Mastery, and I am urging you, please and please develop an investment culture. Don't just set money aside in the hopes that the money will grow. That is not investing. You need to be more aggressive, you need to be more hands-on, you need to be more knowledgeable when you are investing. This is 360 Degree Mastery. I'm reaching you live from the beautiful city of Orlando. I'm in the state of Florida right now. I told you guys, last video I said the next time you hear from me, I'm going to be in the United States, where I'm attending a couple of conferences and I'm giving a couple of lectures on personal effectiveness and self-mastery. I wish you a wonderful and prosperous week. Until next time, namaste.